This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Mary Ross Ellsworth. Open floor plan offers first floor master suite, spa bath, large walk-in closet and separate sitting room leading to your screen porch overlooking a relaxing setting of marsh and water views. Elevator and stairs lead to second master suite with west/sitting area, large spa, walk-through closet that leads to workout space. Enjoy your first floor owner's home office. Water views from dining and family room that opens to eat and kitchen complete with stainless steel appliances and lots of cabinet. Resort style living, the riverfront offers 2 waterfront parks with piers and gazebos. 43-acre lake with walking/jogging paths. 2 tennis courts and volleyball courts. Lakefront amphitheater with gazebo and picnic area. 2 children's playgrounds. Leisure, biking trails connecting lakeside amenities through an underground tunnel. Village Square, 2-acre landscaped park with waterfalls and babbling brook. Check out a canoe at the pier or bring